Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest camper reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and performance with the 2026 BMW XM Motorhome. A bold fusion of innovation and high-performance engineering, this motorhome redefines what premium travel on wheels truly means. Step inside and you're welcomed by a spacious, modern living area inspired by BMW's flagship interiors, blending cutting-edge design with everyday functionality. The living space features a large, curved, flat-screen display, a premium surround sound system, and expansive panoramic windows that flood the interior with natural light. The kitchen is fully equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including a smart induction cooktop, built-in espresso machine, spacious refrigerator, and a dedicated wine storage compartment. The master bedroom features a king-size bed with memory foam comfort, while the ensuite bathroom offers luxury fixtures, rainfall shower, and high-end finishes, delivering a true 5-star experience on the road. Now, moving to the exterior, the 2026 BMW XM Motorhome makes a powerful visual statement. Drawing inspiration from BMW's bold XM design language, it features a muscular yet aerodynamic silhouette that balances performance with efficiency. The exterior is finished in BMW exclusive metallic paint options, complemented by signature LED lighting elements and an illuminated kidney grille-inspired front fascia. A large retractable awning extends the living space outdoors, while massive multi-spoke alloy wheels and subtle XM badging reinforce its performance pedigree. Built on a reinforced lightweight platform, the motorhome offers exceptional stability, confident handling, and long-distance durability. Every exterior detail reflects BMW's commitment to innovation, precision, and unmistakable presence. When it comes to performance, the 2026 BMW XM Motorhome truly sets itself apart. It's powered by a high-performance plug-in hybrid system, combining a twin-turbocharged V8 with an advanced electric motor, delivering impressive power while improving efficiency. Whether cruising on highways or navigating challenging terrain, this motorhome offers a refined and confident driving experience. BMW's adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride across varying road conditions, while the intelligent all-wheel drive system provides enhanced traction and control. The seamless automatic transmission delivers responsive acceleration, and advanced driver assistance systems make maneuvering large spaces safer and easier. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 BMW XM Motorhome is positioned firmly in the ultra-luxury segment, and its pricing reflects its exclusivity. With an estimated starting price of around $480,000, it's designed for buyers who demand premium craftsmanship, cutting-edge technology, and unmistakable BMW performance. This price includes bespoke interior options, advanced hybrid technology, and BMW's signature engineering excellence. Purchasing this motorhome isn't just about ownership, it's about embracing a refined, performance-oriented lifestyle. To sum up, the 2026 BMW XM Motorhome delivers an exceptional blend of luxury, innovation, and high-performance capability. It offers a level of comfort, technology, and driving dynamics rarely seen in the motorhome world. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country adventure or seeking a premium mobile retreat, the BMW XM Motorhome delivers excellence in every mile. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.